Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mute AI prompts in Instagram chat. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So here we need first to go to Instagram. After that, we will be needing to go to settings and privacy, and we need to click first to our profile picture, then go to this three bar icon. After that, we need to go to uh, settings and privacy. We need just to search for the settings, and from there we will be able to choose or to search for audience and visibility. So here, and from there you can find all these interactions and stuff. We are interested in is to have the Meta AI settings. So we can simply go to Meta AI, and from there you will be able to get it. And if you have it already, it will have all the features that will be showing into your Instagram. Also, if you want to simply uh, eliminate just the AI on your DMs, you will be able to toggle off the comment summaries, or you can simply go to the chat settings, and then you will be able to turn off your Meta AI. And after that, we need just to simply click on our Meta, and then you can simply send anything to it. After that, you will need just to go to the eye icon that would allow you to interact with Meta. So from here, you will find the mute, and you can mute messages and prompts, etc. You can also have some chat controls. You can control what Meta AI would do to your chats, etc. And basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.